It's when you read more books. Actually, the Philippines was not supposed to be involved in World War II. Our country was under the protectorate of the United States when Japan declared war with the US. They invaded the Philippines to disturb the concentration of the United States. The Philippines was not prepared. The people, Filipino could not declare war because of the Japanese invasion. It had to fight back, so our involvement. Although the Filipinos were not prepared for war, they fought side by side with the Americans. The Filipinos, being a fierce people, when provoked, it took a hard fight to be subdued by the invaders. Quezon and Osmeña, MacArthur left the Philippines, and the Japanese installed Philippine President Jose Laurel installed as puppet president. Guerrilla movement was organized to continuously fight the Japanese. Yung fighting continued. The Hakbalhab was organized hukbong laban sa Hapon. Great Filipinos were lost. You will know that the Filipino is a friendly people, loving, but when provoked, they are fierce people. The Filipinos struggled to fighting stop only when MacArthur returned to the Philippines. Our people experience the cruelty of these invaders. The martial law was declared September 21, 1972 by President Ferdinand Marcos. The purpose was to have more reforms, discipline the people, because the people were already unruly. No reforms, discipline were effective, but the effect was the abuse of power by the powerful that the subversives rose and fight back government benefits. Some were disciplined, were effective. Infrastructure in people's concern for cooperation was organized. No reforms, drastic reforms, stop corruption. It was declared because of the terrorism practicing of them. So that was the martial law. Although there were problems that rose because of subversion, it was later realized that some of the people were already made to follow orders and follow good discipline. That was the effect of the martial law. Only the martial law was lifted or when the corruption was already corrected, but still there were some defects. The people resorted to other subversive activities, so that until now our government has not improved yet as much as expected.